I got like 1/4 of a joint left waiting for me.
He'll take. He's gotten me a few times with that. He's strong.
The whole front end goes down. And you're like,
yeah. Yeah, I can tell someone who didn't have much sense rode him. You know.
Yeah.
Just like little things, not bad things, just
little things. But they must have rode the dog shit out of him.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, no, he's quiet. Just like, you know, like that, the itching or, you know, the mounting is a little questionable at times. And...
Oh, are we doing it?
No, we're just doing this loop again.
Okay.
Unless you want to go and fuck again, Jesus Christ.
I didn't know how the hell I got over here.
Y'all are crazy.
I didn't know. Hey, I'm conditioning, bitch.
Yeah, we gotta make up for the time missed with the soppy ground and this.
It's in the freezing.
Right?
Oh, he finally found the bottom gear. That's all it takes. 5 miles of fucking waiting and roasting.
How sick does Birdie look?
She looks sick as hell. She badass. So when we canter, do you want to be behind us again?
Yeah.
Okay. No, yeah. Let's you wanna like just trot a little bit here, or do you wanna walk?
I really don't care.
Isn't this like the second, isn't this like half of the loop right here?
Yeah.
We walked half, now we...
Oh, okay. So now I'll go a little faster.
Yeah.
We'll take a little bit.
Yeah, we don't have to just take off.
Yeah. Let's just walk or try a little bit.
He looks silly. Ooh. Yeah. 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 Then she just went right back to her rack. But her rack's gotten stronger, so I don't mind.
Yeah.
The rack, I'm sure, is much more rideable than it was to begin with.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, fuck it. It's not like you're fucking ping ponging. Like a damn pogo stick.
Yeah. Wait till you ride her again and you feel it.
Use the left lead. I rode her the other day.
Oh.
Yeah, if I just kiss this left lead. Okay. It's now being tired. It's the right way. Oh, my gosh.
Yeah, I'll see if she... Do you want to maybe have Megan and I lead and then you get in the back and see if she'll hold it faster? Just because she goes more similar to your horse than Ryan.
Okay.
Like she syncs up.
Are you wanting, what are you wanting? Dating, canter?
She wants the canter, I think.
Yeah. Just trying to get past Ryan.
I might not have much horse left.
Really?
flowers are drying took off, and he was like, "What? Dinner." I'm afraid I'm out of court.
Yeah.
Safety out of court. But he'll do it. Wow.
Whoa. See that fast stop? Good girl. See that stop? Oh, she's going. Oh.